With Pioneer Air, our maintenance agreements, what we introduce, what we have, is we have our VIP membership. So we call it our VI, very important Pioneer. The reason why that's important to us is when you come and invest with us and trust us to take care of your household, your family, and your home, what we do is we do what basically everybody else does, right? Yes, we come out and make sure that the safety inspections are done, life safety components are taken care of. We go and we do exactly what everybody else does, such as making sure that we go through the 21-point inspections, making sure the electrical is taken care of, making sure the duct line assemblies are what they should be. But what we do is we do things a little different. With us, our VIPs come with what's called a concierge line. Unlike a conventional company, our VIPs have a specific number that they call when if something goes wrong, they call that number. And when they call that number, it actually goes to all the key personnel in the company, letting us know that there's something wrong with our family member, there's something wrong with our VIPs, and we need to address it. Number two is the warranties, right? Warranties, we want to make sure warranties are basically peace of mind. If something goes wrong, right? We want to make sure that you're taken care of, right, in a timely fashion. And third, we call it a lifetime system guarantee. If we install a system with you, right, and we install, you entrust us to take care of you, right, we have what's called a lifetime system guarantee. So as long as you maintain our VIP memberships, we come out and maintain your system. The manufacturer ensures that the system was built properly. We ensure that the I's were dotted and the T's were crossed, right, when we do our installations. And then lastly, what our VIPs do, is VIP memberships do, is we actually ensure that the oil changes were taken care of, the rotation of tires were done, and the brakes were done. So if we take all three of those, right, we have what's called a lifetime system guarantee on every system. So our VIP memberships are basically our ability to deliver, right, on a constant basis. Our promise to you, our VIP members, is that we're going to be there when you need us. If you need us, we'll be there. If you don't need us, we're still here. So that's what our VIP membership does. With our VIPs, we get 2 inspections per year. Spring, where we come out and double check to make sure that the outdoor components are taken care of, making sure that you're ready for the summer. We want to make sure that you're ready for the upcoming season. We come out and do cleaning, the 21-point inspections. But in the winter, like we are right now, one of the things that we do is we come in and look at the life safety components. You have an open flame here in Las Vegas. We have the majority of our systems are what's called natural gas fed or furnaces. Well, with the gas furnaces, there are components that are important, right? Carbon monoxide, make sure that it's exhausted properly. We have safety limits, make sure that we have high limit switches. All those components that are technical that mean that there's a live safety component. That's what we do in the winter. We go through it, make sure that all the electricals and those critical components are addressed and looked upon, and make sure they're maintained to make sure that your home is comfortable, but at the same time safe. That's what we do in the summer. So in the winter, we take care of life safety, and in the summer, we look to make sure that you're ready for the upcoming season.